Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to improve videos in Splice. Splice Video Editor and Make It is a useful friendly iPhone app that lets you turn your raw footage into professional quality videos quickly. It supports streaming, editing, transitions, overlays, music and more. To start editing, the first step is to import your videos into a project, and this ensures all your clips are in one place for the smooth editing. And here's a descriptive step-by-step guide to importing your videos into Splice. So first you need to have a Splice app. If you do not have, so you can go to the App Store or the Play Store and download it from there as well and launch to your Splice app. And over here you need to select to this new project plus icon in the bottom, and you'll be prompted to select media from your device. Your photo and video library will be open. Scroll and tap all the videos you want to include. You can also select the multiple clips at once, and the selected clips will be highlighted. After that you can select next in the top right, and the clips are now imported into your new project timeline. And once your videos are imported, you can start trimming, adding music, applying transitions or inserting text. This makes your project ready for the polished final video. And this is it. This is how you can import videos in Splice. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.